Okay, it's nice MT10's just come in. Very cheap because it's actually a cat in. It's on the list as being vandalised. I think somebody tried to steal it, didn't get away with it. Really no damage to note on it. Last owner said it did have a warped disc, which must have happened when they were trying to nick it. I assume it had a disc lock on it. So it's had a new set of discs on it. And that little scuff there on the mudguard is really the only damage I can see on it. So it's got that decat exhaust on it. So it sounds quite aggressive. Orangey bar ends, wheels look good, so I'm really seeing it falling over on its side. Nice little bit of detail there. It's been dipped or vinyl wrapped on that tiny little bit. Wheels all look good. Couple of tiny little stone chips on the wheel down there. All downpipes, everything look nice and clean. Quick shifter. Foot on the stand. Nice rear sprocket. Paddock stand bobbins. Tail tidy. 69 reg. So really that little bit of damage that I pointed out in the front mudguard. Rear tyre's really good. Front tyre's good as well. So it's done 8674 miles, so a nice low mileage one. Driving modes, quick shifter, traction control, ABS, cruise control.